I was stuck, working a 9-to-5 coding job, dreaming of making some extra cash. But every so-called passive income tutorial felt like a scam. So I tried something real. And it actually worked. Here is how. No fluff. I built a super boring tool, a PDF to Word converter for lawyers. Not sexy, but lawyers need this daily, and they will pay to save time. The key point is, solve a tiny problem for a niche audience. I coded the minimum viable product in a weekend with Python's PDF to Docs library, a $5 per month DigitalOcean droplet, and a Gumroad page for payments. The first version was janky. It did not need to be pretty. Instead of ads, I posted in our lawyers, free tool I made, feedback welcome. More than 100 downloads in a day. Then I added a pay what you want button, and boom. In the first month, I went from $0 to $500. Manual work sucked, so I automated emails with SendGrid, file conversions via AWS Lambda, and support docs with Gitbook. Now I am earning while sleeping. Here's the breakdown. 6 months in, $10,372 total. Costs $127 for hosting and domains. Time spent around 3 hours per week. You do not need a viral app. Just find a niche problem, build the simplest solution, and talk to users early. P.S. I will email you my exact code and templates. Comment side hustle below.